Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Bray from THX Abrasives. I'm honored to tell you that we will participate in the Germany Cologne hardware exhibition from March 3rd to March 6th, 2024. So we sincerely invite you to visit our booth and discuss about the business. THX Abrasives, as an abrasive factory with a long history and excellent craftsmanship, just like our name, we treat each of our customers with a grateful heart, hoping to grow together with everyone and establish a long-term and good cooperative relationship. So, if you are the person who has high standards for product quality, then we are your right choice. Our products and our customs products are made ISO 9001, MPA, and EU quality certification. At the same time, product quality standards are higher than standard established by EN 12413. Our most popular 4 to 5 inch products like this can efficiently cut metal, stainless steel, and other materials. So the cutting surface is smooth and flat, has a long service life, and it will save your labor costs. Its performance has been well received by our customers. As you know, Europe is a vast market with great potential, so we hope to establish cooperation with more customers. And let us work together towards a better tomorrow. See you in Germany on March 3rd, 2024. Hope you all have a good day. Thank you.